Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round game! And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Steve in South Dakota. Steve.
First thing, go Goddard, your tight end there. Question regarding Norwegian Cruise lines. Right now they're trading for about $20. You got a price target today, upgraded to 21. Woo. Anyways, last year they were trading at 50, 55. Is it realistic to expect to maybe think in a year from now we could maybe be back to them levels, or is there a new normal?
They've done so much dilution, okay, and they've had to issue more stock, and we know that 40 million shares. So I don't know whether it can get back there. I do know this. If you play the long game the way Frank Del Rio does, then I think you could catch a double in a couple of years. But remember, they've issued a lot of stock, and they've got to go through a lot of stock, but there will not be many players left in the cruise business, but his will live. His company will live, and he's got some things up his sleeve to make it so you'll feel darn safe cruising. And I know that I feel like taking one. Let's go to Corey in New Jersey. Corey.
Baba Booyah, Jim. How you doing?
I'm not bad. How about you?
Doing well. Thank you for the call. I'm a big fan of the show. Just wanted to get your thoughts on BMY, Bristol-Myers Squibb.
Bristol-Myers! They rang the bell today. I think that Bristol-Myers is incredibly cheap. It was at 64 just the other day. Now it's at 61. Well, what is the deal here? I say bye, bye, bye. Let's go to Mike in Rhode Island. Mike.
Booyah, Jim. Shout out to Narragansett, Rhode Island. I know you had a lot of good things to say about NCino a couple weeks ago. Do you still have the same feelings?
Oh, no, cloud banking, they own it. They own it. By the way, I thought it was really funny. They're from Wilmington, North Carolina. Those of us who have been to Wilmington, North Carolina know that it's not Wilmington, Delaware. Okay, let's go to Erik in Florida. Erik.
Jimmy Chill. Booyah.
Chill man in the house. Chill was just trashing a couple people on Twitter. What's going on?
Hey, man, back in March, when the market tanked, I decided to pull the trigger on a defense aerospace stock, and I purchased a large amount of shares with a cost basis of $58. About 3 days ago, for the first time ever, an intercontinental ballistic missile target was intercepted and destroyed outside Earth's atmosphere by a product created by this company. I want to keep this stock for the long run, and I'm reinvesting its dividends to build my passive income. What do you think about this strategy and the company itself for stock ticker RTX?
Oh, Raytheon Technologies. I thought that was great when they put those two together. Remember, Boeing is going to be flying. I like BA, by the way, very, very much under 200. That seems to be a giveaway to me, and Raytheon is good, and I like your style. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.